Email verification failed on Swan Bitcoin Fix. If your Swan Bitcoin email verification isn't going through, don't worry. This is a common issue, but it can usually be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. Start by double-checking the email address you entered. Even one typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Precision is crucial here. Next, check all inbox folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Swan Bitcoin can sometimes be filtered incorrectly by email providers. Once you find the verification email, click the link as soon as possible, because these links often expire within a short time. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification email through the Swan Bitcoin app or website. Most users find this resolves the issue immediately. Browser or device problems can also interfere with email delivery. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Swan Bitcoin mobile app to ensure the verification email is received correctly. Email providers occasionally block automated messages. If this happens, try registering with a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Swan Bitcoin support. Explain the steps you've already taken, and they can manually verify your account so you can start buying Bitcoin without delay. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps usually fixes the issue quickly, letting you start your Bitcoin investing journey with Swan Bitcoin right away.